and welcome back to my channel. So today I made a chicken meatball sub. Okay, we replaced the beef tonight. All right, so if you guys want to see how I make this delicious sandwich, you guys already know what to do. Stay tuned. So here's the list of ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 2 pounds of ground chicken, some pepperoni, a couple of eggs, some breadcrumbs. You're also going to need these seasonings, and I do have them listed below in the description box and later on in the video. You're also going to need your favorite marinara sauce. I had some green seasoning, some fresh mozzarella. You're going to need some grated Parmesan cheese, and you're also going to need some sub rolls. So here's the list of seasonings that you're going to need. Be sure to press pause so you can get that list. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to hit that button and be sure to press that bell so you never miss an upload from me. So I went in with a couple of tablespoons of that seasoning mix, and then I'm also going in with a couple of tablespoons of my green seasoning. Now you're just going to use 1 egg, and I did only need 1 egg for today. And now I'm going to go in with about a cup of breadcrumbs. And I'm going to follow that up with some grated Parmesan cheese. And that is probably about a half a cup. Now you want to just give this all a good mix. Make sure everything is well combined. Okay, so look y'all, I was tripping when I made these meatballs today, okay? I made them entirely too big, but they were still good. But you do want to make sure you make yours just a tad bit smaller than mine. Maybe about the size of a golf ball or just a tad bit bigger if you want to, but I was tripping today. So I ended up with 16 meatballs, and I'm going to stick these in the fridge and just let them set up for about 30 minutes. Okay, y'all, so I am so proud of this purchase, this GE gas range. It is so beautiful. I love it, okay? So now I'm just going in with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to cook our meatballs on all sides, okay? We're going to turn them over on each side until they are brown. You want to cook these about 2 to 3 minutes per side, okay? Again, we're going to do this on all sides until the entire meatball is brown. So if you find that your meatballs are sticking just a little bit, you want to take a thin spatula and just lift them up. And here is what I meant about all sides, okay? We did front and back, and now we're going to do the side. And then we're going to flip it over, do the other side, and then the top and bottom. So now we're just going to remove the meatballs from the skillet, and then we're going to start on our marinara sauce. This is what your meatballs should look like when you remove them from the skillet. Now, when you go in with your sauce, make sure your eye is turned down, okay? I did turn my eye down to a low. So the same seasonings that I used on the chicken, I'm using that in my sauce, just a tablespoon. Now I'm going to go in with some fresh chopped basil. And 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Now you're just going to add your chicken back to the skillet. You're going to put your lid on, and we're going to let this cook for 25 to 30 minutes. So while I'm waiting on the meatballs and the sauce to cook, I'm going to go ahead and start prepping my rolls. So you just see me cutting a slit down the side, okay? These are just some regular bakery hoagie rolls, okay? That's all. You can use whatever type you want to make. You can make use some meatball sliders, however you want to do it. It's up to you. And now you just see me slathering the outside of the bread with some garlic and herb butter, okay? Don't forget this part, okay? This makes the bread so delicious. Oh my goodness. You gotta try it. And the butter that I used was Kerrygold garlic and herb butter, okay? I found this at Walmart. So what you're going to do now, you're going to go in with a layer of pepperoni, as much or as little or none if you like. And then you're going to top that with your meatballs. I was able to get 3 of those chicken meatballs in there, but if you make them smaller, you can get about 4 or 5. Now we're just going to top this with that sliced mozzarella cheese, and I did find this at HEB. Okay, I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. Oops, it almost got away from me. I'm going to let this cook in the oven for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out. As you see here, it is good to go. I'm just going to top this with some fresh chopped parsley, and then I'll be ready to serve. So now I'm just plating this up for you guys, and look at that cheese pool, okay? It got stuck, y'all. But again, use that fresh mozzarella and it'll do it every time, okay? Now these were honestly, they were so delicious. Please give this a try and leave me a comment. And boom. Okay, this is the finished product, your chicken meatball subs. Remember, when you guys are in the kitchen, you are a favorite with flavor. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. I'll see you guys next time.